Artificial intelligence is changing the game. It's no longer science fiction. It's here, and it's transforming how we trade. Financial markets thrive on data, and AI devours data like a hungry beast. It spots patterns, analyzes trends, and makes decisions with a speed and accuracy that leaves humans in the dust. This is not just about fancy algorithms, it's about making smarter decisions. AI can process vast amounts of information in the blink of an eye. It identifies opportunities and risks that humans might miss. This makes AI a powerful tool for any investor looking to gain an edge. But AI's role isn't just about speed. It's about removing emotional biases. We humans are emotional creatures. Fear and greed can cloud our judgment. An AI trading bot, however, remains perfectly rational. It executes trades based on cold, hard data. This objectivity is a game changer in the volatile world of crypto trading. Let's talk about a specific application, the ChatGPT AI trading crypto bot. This isn't some far-off fantasy. It's a real tool that can potentially generate passive income. Imagine waking up to find your money has made you even more money while you slept. That's the promise of this technology. This bot is powered by ChatGPT, a large language model trained on a massive dataset. This allows it to understand and respond to complex instructions. In the context of crypto trading, it means the bot can analyze market data, identify trading opportunities, and execute trades automatically 24/7. But here's where it gets really interesting. Sandwich trading. This strategy involves exploiting price differences across decentralized exchanges. It's like a perfectly timed dance, buying low on one exchange and selling high on another. The ChatGPT AI trading crypto bot excels at this, capturing those micro profits that add up over time. Let's break down sandwich trading. Imagine a user places a large buy order for a cryptocurrency on a decentralized exchange. This large order creates a temporary price difference, pushing the price up. The ChatGPT AI trading crypto bot detects this opportunity. The bot swiftly places a buy order, the front run, just before the user's large order goes through. This captures the price increase. Then, as the price rises further due to the user's buy, the bot immediately places a sell order, the back run, to lock in the profit. It's a rapid-fire sequence that happens in fractions of a second. The bot's speed and precision are crucial for successfully executing this strategy. And remember, it's happening across multiple exchanges simultaneously, maximizing opportunities for profit. Section 4. Setting up your path to passive income. Now, you're probably wondering how to get started. First, you need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask. Think of this as your gateway to the decentralized world of crypto trading. Next, you'll need access to Remix IDE, a platform for developing and deploying smart contracts, which are the backbone of this trading bot. Finally, you'll need some initial capital in Ethereum, or ETH. This is what the bot will use to execute trades. The more ETH you commit, the higher your potential returns. But remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Setting up the bot does require some technical know-how, but there are resources available to guide you through the process. Once the bot is up and running, it's essential to monitor its performance regularly. Adjust its parameters, such as gas price and trading pairs, to optimize its efficiency in response to changing market conditions. Section 5. The potential and responsibility of AI trading. The world of AI crypto trading is full of potential. Imagine a future where your money works for you around the clock, generating passive income while you focus on other things. But with great power comes great responsibility. Remember, this technology is still in its early stages. There are risks involved, and no trading strategy is foolproof. It's crucial to approach this with caution, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency trading involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.